iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at that crack right in the rear camera. It's a beautiful phone, but that crack doesn't make it beautiful anymore. That crack makes it look like we're accident prone. Let's go ahead and fix this rear camera lens together. Step 1, activate thermal air circulator.
All right, how about
Step 2,
I don't
remove
watch
the
too much
rear
NASCAR.
camera lens. This is called surface prepping.
Trying to get you some practice too. Opening this up.
This sucker's blurry. Alright, so this lens looks good. This camera lens looks good. Look at this one. It's like the camera itself is damaged. It looks blurry underneath, so yeah, this one has suffered too much damage to the camera.